I don't know if I'm the one you want. Should I go, or should I leave this?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a quick Amazon favorites or roundup of everything that I've been loving from Amazon that might be on sale. I'm not too sure if everything will be on sale for Prime Day, but I'll be linking everything below and try to organize it maybe by category in my Amazon storefront. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, so I'm excited, but I do feel like it's going to be an all over the place video. So grab a drink, a snack, and let's get started. First and foremost, I have my handy dandy box cutter. I also have this one in shape of a cloud. I love it. I have these all over the house. It's a pack of 3 or 5, I'm not sure, but I'm constantly opening boxes, so it's a must. All right, so let's start by opening up some of my recent purchases, backups or restocks of our favorites. These are our favorite no-show socks. We are constantly buying these. So we got a pack of 3. This is not really a smart way to open up the box. More no-show socks. And Eric is always ordering random things that I have no idea about. By the looks of it, this is a grooming kit for dogs. It looks official tissue. So yeah, a little grooming kit for Hudson. I actually have a lot of Amazon favorites from Hudson. If I don't share it in the video, I'll still link my dog favorites in my storefront for you guys. Speaking of Hudson items, I actually got a bunch of stuff for him for tick season. Starting with this flea and tick spray in the rosemary scent. I've heard really great things. It has amazing reviews, so I figured I would get it. This one is the Yaya. My friend actually used it on his dog and it works like butter. Like it really melts off any tick, or like it brings out the ticks for you to see them easier. And Hudson being a long-haired dog, this is amazing. I saw this brush on TikTok, so I figured I would buy it, but it's a long, tight bristle little brush to comb his hair and check any ticks. And then is a brush for him as well. These are amazing. And then this is just to like clear it out. Next up, next I ended up getting, I got this. Did I just break this or did it come broken? But I ended up getting this Scotch Guard fabric water shield. Eric's mom recommended this for us to spray all over our new dining chairs, which I'm excited to share with you guys. But I figured I would get it and spray everything before I put them to use. She says that this works amazing and you just like reapply as often as you need. She also recommended to make sure to do this outside because it's a really strong product and toxic, I'm sure, or like not really good to be inhaling. All right. Up next are these waterproof pool step weights. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what that looks like. It's basically what it is. There's just weights for on above ground pool steps to get in the pool. I actually got a bunch of, I don't want to mess it up. I actually got a bunch of coffee table books. I honestly thought this was going to be a lot bigger for the price. So hopefully the images are nice. If not, we're gonna have to return. But I got this coffee table book from Rizzoli, and it's the Artistry of Flowers. Love the side. Ooh, actually, the photos in here are really nice. Yeah. All right, maybe I'll keep it. Then I also got this one, which is the Martha Stewart's Gardening Handbook. I actually have so many coffee table books to share, but This one was really cute and colorful. All right, we're almost getting to the finish line. I think these are multiple things at once. Our closets are currently under construction and pretty much empty, so Eric ended up getting this clothing rack to store or display some of his everyday outfits or clothes that he wears. And would you look at that, another comrade sock pack. Last but not least is another one I'm not going to open, but this is what that looks like. It's basically a luggage rack to put in our guest bedroom for our guests and make it look like a little hotel. I know it's a little extra, but it's the little things, in my opinion. I'm sharing your insane amount of Amazon orders. Eric is getting a few of his favorites to show you guys. All right, really quickly, excuse his outfit and his sweaty
Let it be
face.
known, UV protected, full spectrum coverage, dry fit t-shirt from Amazon, like $10, so check that out.
He's currently doing gardening outside, so
Cutting the lawn.
yeah.
Flexible stick, good for shoulder stretching,
Okay,
loosen up, bamboo.
nice.
Platform squat shoes, like $20. The other ones were like 300. Get these. Perfect push-up handles. Put them on the ground,
Nice.
push it out.
I actually really have to show you guys our basement because it's pretty much done and he killed it.
Bar covers for your weights. Put them on the barbell so the weights don't fall off. They're much easier to clip than the metal ones.
Nice.
Japanese handsaw, 2 different sides.
What
One
is
side
that
for
for?
finer cuts, one side for bigger cuts. We're not using those American saws. For this instance, I do rep the USA, but for now we're doing Japanese. That's it.
That's it?
Oh wait, hold on. I got my sauna hat. Hold up.
Oh my god. Was this a pack of 4?
Sauna hat. Good for the sauna. Keeps the heat in. Also, work pants. Versatile, lightweight. Get it.
Alright. Yeah.
That's all good stuff.
It is.
I have so much more too.
Yeah, I know. We're not really gonna do it all. I'll definitely make like an Eric's favorites on my Amazon storefront for you guys and link it in the description because he is constantly buying random things. You can't make this up, but I actually got another order. Eric, you got another one of these? You got another floating chemical dispenser for the pool. If you're like me and you like doing at-home manicures, this is a must. And even if you go to an actual salon, I think this is a must. Not all salons have them, but this is the Excuse Me Quick Drying Drops, the Ultra Fast. And it comes in a pack of 2. I love it so much. What is this? Eric and I love flower arrangements, so I ended up getting these Asian like flower frogs, I think is what they're called, to put at the bottom of vases and make it look really artistic and aesthetic. So I'm definitely going to be trying these out. All right, now I think I'm just gonna go around the house and just show you guys random things that I've purchased for the house that we absolutely love. Starting in this room, this light and medallion is actually from Amazon. Honestly, most of our lights are from Amazon, so I'll definitely make a folder of all of my favorites. My desk is somewhat of a mess right now, but this mat is also one of my favorites. I got it right after getting this desk, and it blends seamlessly with, not seamlessly, but it's like the closest color to the mahogany wood. And I just love it. It has protected the desk really well. And really random, but this suction like phone thing is also pretty cool. Now that I'm looking at this, the actual handles are also from Amazon, one of my favorites. Same with the knobs up here. I get a lot of questions on our curtains. I love these curtains. They're such amazing quality, especially for the price. It's like a linen feel, look, and material. It's a little bit see-through as you can tell, but it still gives you enough coverage, especially for this room. And then upstairs we do have blackout curtains in the bedrooms, which is truly the best. The curtain rods are also from Amazon, and the recess lights as well. All right, we are now in the powder room. We haven't touched this room at all, but I have added a few things that I do love and find useful. Starting with this faux leather tissue paper box sleeve. I love it. It looks really nice and high-end. The material is also really nice. I think I want to get it in burgundy for the fall time. I also love this acrylic holder for our hand towels. And the hand towels are also from Amazon, one of my favorites. Again, like I mentioned, we haven't touched this bathroom at all in terms of renovations, but it did need a toilet paper holder. So I ended up getting this standing one. Back at it with the light. This one is also from Amazon. And I also have this picture light, which you charge. It is currently dead, but I love it. It's wireless. Our laundry room is definitely a mess, but I have a bunch of our cleaning supplies here. So this, I absolutely love to clean our floors. Same with the Quick Shine. And then in here, my favorite detergent at the moment. Love, love, love this so much. And a little bit goes a long way, which is what I love the most about it. And then I also use this Downy Rinse and Refresh. And for stains, the OxyClean spray. Another dog essential is this KOE Odor Eliminator Concentrate. This is a must with any dog. Now that we're in the kitchen, I have a few favorites, starting with this Safer Home Bug Catcher thing. I love, love, love putting these in different areas in the house, and it actually really works. I just changed that. The Dominican Kitchen coffee table book is another favorite of mine. Same with this little corner shelf situation that I put next to the counter. Super random, but we have so many air purifiers in the house. I think we own 4. I'll link my favorites. This one was the very first one that I got. I don't think they sell it anymore. My favorite brand is upstairs, which I'll share in a little bit. But this one works amazing, as you can tell. They honestly are all great. These lights right here are an amazing Amazon find. I love, love, love these. And then this one, I believe is from somewhere else. I don't know if it was from Bed Bath & Beyond, but I've seen it on Amazon, so I'll try to link it for you guys. Onto the pantry, I have a few things that I can also link, like my tea organizer, also with this one up here. And then my top favorite has to be this sensor light, which I actually need to charge. This is currently very dirty, but the Nespresso, Amazon, same with the storage stand and the Alexa. I also love getting these smart plugs during the Amazon Prime deals because they're dirt cheap and really great to plug anything that you want to turn off from your phone. Another item that I love is this black metal wood organizer. Same with the outlets. They're all obviously from Amazon. These right here are some returns, but again, the bug plug, a must. Very random, but this Magna Sonic jewelry cleaner, also an essential. This room is a hot mess currently. It's our family room, but we have another air purifier. This one is the Lavoie brand, and another favorite. Bobby, I'm sorry. Mama's filming, okay? I feel so bad. Another Amazon favorite has to be this dark wood dog crate. Another dog favorite has to be these dog shockers. This one is significantly cheaper than this one, but this is the one that our trainer recommended. It's the Mini Educator. I know not a lot of people are pro these things, but it has helped us with Hudson. Baby, I'm sorry, but it has helped us a lot training Hudson. And then this one is, again, significantly cheaper. I kind of honestly like this one, but we went back to the Mini Educator one because the battery, I think it's better. But this is just as good if you want to start with this. I personally really like this one because it actually has a sound. So it alerts them instead of you needing to like use the vibrator or shocker on them to call them back. And you can also hear where they are. I'll link both down below. All right, we made it to the guest bedroom. This right here is another Amazon find. Same with the medallion, just absolutely love. Like I mentioned, in the bedrooms, we do have the blackout curtains from the same brand that I told you guys. And these work amazing. Absolutely love it, and it comes in different colors. This stand for our wedding book is also from Amazon. It's an acrylic stand for coffee table books or your wedding book, like this one. And that's what it looks like. I roughly made the bed today, but this comforter has to be one of my favorites. It's from Amazon. It comes in different colors. Love, love, love how soft it is. The weight of it, it's not too overpowering, so you can use it during the winter months and the summertime, in my opinion. What I love the most about it is it's extremely long and just perfect for a king size bed. I feel like I always have issues finding a good size comforter for the bed, and this one comes in different sizes for your king size bed. This right here is also from Amazon, these pillow covers, and then the inserts are, of course, Amazon, you guessed it. Here we have the best air purifier. This is the biggest one that we own, and I just truly love, love, love this. It works amazing and it helps a lot with allergies and just clearing out all of the dust. I don't know what is up with this house, but it collects a lot of dust, so a must. I have a few more favorites. I recently shared this one. It is a stairs basket. I didn't know I needed it, but I am so glad that I found it and bought it. I think if you live in a 2-story home, you absolutely need it. I seriously hate to continuously go up and down to bring things up or down. So now what I do is I keep this in the bottom and put whatever I need to bring upstairs. And then at the end of the day, just pick this up and take it up, and I love it. I recently got these Specs stress balls in a PR box, and I loved it so much that I decided to get more because they're amazing. This is what it looks like. I love putting this in the car, and yeah, I don't know, I love it. So whoever sent me this, thank you. I ended up buying my own. I have a lot of travel essentials that I'll link below, but I just quickly found this upstairs and I love it. This is a great fashion hack if you have something like this where you want your shirt to just like stay here. You can just clip it with this little gun and stick it through and then clamp it, and it will stay in place the entire day. I recently repurchased this dog life vest. It is my favorite for Hudson. He loves going to the pool. We had like a dog friend and by mistake he scratched it, so we ended up getting another one, and yeah, that's what it looks like. It comes in small, medium, large, extra large, and extra small. I also got this cream outdoor tablecloth that it's waterproof, and I really, really loved it. I recently washed it and it honestly just cleaned everything. If you're a tea lover, I recently got this tea steeper, I think is what it's called, for whenever we have loose tea. We have basically tea every single night, and I think this is super cute. A lot of our outdoor lights are actually from Amazon, so I'll link those down below for you guys. The front door ones and the ones above the garage are amazing Amazon favorites of mine. I, of course, lastly have to mention my favorite of them all, the Oura Ring. If you are on the fence, now is the time that it's on sale. Definitely get the Oura Ring. It's my absolute favorite. I know it's a little bit expensive and the membership is a bummer, but it is truly worth it in my opinion. I love everything that it's able to read, and I think is an amazing wellness thing to own. And then I also ended up getting these 2 little rings and stacked it all together so that it looks like one ring. But yeah, happy shopping. Make sure to check out the description box and of course my Amazon storefront. If you haven't already, follow me there because I'll be updating everything as the deals and sales are happening. So definitely check it out, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.